السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. Welcome back to Ahlan Arabic, a learning podcast from كتاب Academy. مرحبا بكم في بودكاست أهلا Arabic، بودكاست تعليمي من أكاديمية كتاب. Today's episode is special. It's our super review episode. Inshallah, we'll go over vocabulary from episodes 1 through 7, greetings, countries, family, food, prepositions, and more. And we'll also dive deeper into a very, very important Arabic grammar topic, which is referred to as الإعراب and البناء. How Arabic words change, or if they do not change, why they don't, depending on their role in a sentence, whether they are a مبتدأ or a خبر, or a فعل, a verb, or other things. هيا نبدأ. Let's begin, inshallah. Let's start off with the grammar. Words in Arabic are either معرب or مبني. Words in Arabic can either be معرب or مبني. الكلمات في العربية إما معربة وإما مبنية. So each word is معرب or مبني. معرب, you may translate it to changeable words. In Arabic, many words change slightly depending on their position in the sentence. For example, if I say البيت, it ends with a ضمة, or البيت with a فتحة, or البيت with a كسرة. The changing of the حركة at the end of the word from فتحة to ضمة to كسرة, this is referred to as the إعراب of the word. And so most nouns, أسماء in Arabic, are معرب, meaning their endings change depending on their function in the sentence. That is the first type. The second type is مبني, meaning words that are fixed. They do not change. Their appearance in the sentence does not change no matter where they are in the sentence or their role is in the sentence. They always appear the same in those sentences. Let's give an example. Like هذا or هذه. هذا and هذه, wherever they are in a sentence, they always have the sukun on the alif in هذا and the kasra on the ha in هذه. It does not change. We never say هذه, we never say هذه. It always is هذه. This is the meaning of مبني. The word ending does not change even if the function of the word does in the sentence. Now, for مبني, it's apparent. The rule is that the appearance of the word does not change wherever the word is in the sentence. As for the words that are معرب, meaning they change from one state to another, like we said in البيت, البيتا, البيتي, there are 3 different cases in Arabic, meaning that a word, if it is not مبني, it will either be مرفوع or منصوب or مجرور. So we have a word is either going to be mu'rab or mabni. If it is mu'rab, then it is either going to be marfu' or mansub or majroor. If it is marfu', the main symbol of a word being marfu' is a dhammah. And I said the main symbol because sometimes words may not have a dhammah at the end, rather they have another symbol for being marfu', which inshallah we'll talk about in future sessions. So marfu', the main symbol for being marfu' is the dhammah. And words that are marfu' are normally words that are basic and needed in the sentence, like the mubtada and the khabar. And so that is why we say al-khubzu ladhidhun. That's why we have a dhammah on al-khubz and we have a dhammah on ladhidh, because the role that they are playing in this sentence, their function in this sentence, are mubtada for al-khubz and khabar for ladhidh. And so these two words are essential to the formation of the sentence. And so it will have a dhammah at the end because it is marfu'. Does that mean that always the mubtada and the khabar are marfu'? Yes. Always, in every single sentence, if there is a mubtada, it means it must be marfu'. If there is a khabar, it must be marfu' as well. And so the mubtada and the khabar are always marfu'. And the main symbol for being marfu' is a dhamm. Now, what about the other two? We also have the second case, which is mansoob. And the main symbol of being mansoob is a fatha. Now, many times, being mansoob indicates that this word is not essential for the sentence. Rather, it gives more context. Like if I say, akulul khubza, I eat bread. The sentence here is akulul khubza. Akul means I eat. And there is the essential part of the sentence. Now, when I say al-khubza, I'm giving more context. I'm mentioning the object. Or in Arabic, we would say al-khubza is the maf'ulun bihi. What did I eat? Or what do I eat? I eat bread, al-khubz. And so it is not marfu', rather it is mansoob. Why is that? Because in this sentence, it plays as the role of al-maf'ulu bihi. So the same word in the first sentence was a mubtada, and therefore it had a dhammah because it was marfu'. Al-khubzu lazizun. Now it has a fatha because it plays the role of maf'ulun bihi, and the maf'ulun bihi is always mansoob, and therefore it has a fatha. The last case is majroor. Majroor is many times after hurufu jar, after types of prepositions. So you would say, akulu bil khubzi. Bi means with here. Akulu bil khubzi. Bi, bil khubzi. And so the word al-khubz here is majroor because of the ba before it. And so being majroor, there are different ways to become majroor in Arabic. One of those ways is to be after harfu jar, which inshallah we will dive deeper into in the coming episodes. Now, for majroor, the main symbol for being majroor is a kasrah. This is why we say آكل بالخبز. So now when you see a noun, an ism, changing from fatha to dhamma to kasra in different sentences, this is referred to as الإعراب. It is showing you how the noun, the ism, functions in the sentence. What is the role of this ism in the sentence? Is it a mubtada? Is it a khabar? Is it a maf'ulun bihi? And so on.